Greetings, beloved. I am at an art exhibition where I'm showing my beautiful creations, but I want to share with you all today one of my favorite places to come at the Montgomery Museum of Fine Arts. And this is where they show the children's works. They range from, I don't know, I see a lot of 12th graders. And these are your aspiring, no, they are your artists, your future artisans. Artists, creative people are the ones where I am the most comfortable being in the energy of conscious creativity. And I'm going to take some pictures of what I'm exhibiting at some point in time today and share them with you at another time. Now this is an 8th grader. Look at this, creativity, channel. Opposed to some of the things that some of the other young people are doing. These are beautiful. Beautiful way for them to spend their time. She's lovely, isn't she? Perfect harmony. Angel of Earth is what this piece is called. This is a 12th grader. It looks like they did some collages as well. And we're going to hear some background noise because the other artists are starting to come in. This looks like a paper piece. It looks like it was folded paper. I want to touch it. I'm going to touch it. But no, it's ink. It's ink. It looks like a tree. You know how you tell the age of a tree? Oh, I'm excited to look at this, and I hope you all are enjoying this as well. Ah, it's beautiful, beautiful. The work of children. They have an exhibition here, I'm going to say once a month, twice a month, I'm not sure how often, but it's a regular where they show the works of the children. One of the things that I like about, and it's one of the few things I like about the Montgomery school system, is that they do have places where art is emphasized. They have lamp programs. They focus on the arts in a lot of their schools, and this is a 7th grader. That's important to my spirit. Look at this little one. Touching again. 11th grade. Wow. This is what we have left over. The rest we have already destroyed. Deep. Check that out. This is what we have left over. The rest we have already destroyed. Wow. This is an 11th grader with a lot of depth. It's been a while. It has. The usual bacon, eggs. I don't eat meat anymore. Oh, when did that happen? A couple of months ago. Yeah. They'll have the coffee with 1 cream and sugar. 2 creams, 1 egg. That's always how I liked it. Sorry, 2 creams, 1 sugar. Did you still think about what we had? Sometimes I miss seeing your dog in the mornings. I miss him too. I'm sorry to hear about that. It's okay, it's been a while. I wish I could have been there for you. Me too. Thoughts of a 12th grader. This looks like a pencil piece. They chose to stop it while I was talking right beside me. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These are children, the future. Wow. I think this is talking about the pandemic. This is my interpretation, because that's what you do. You interpret the art that you see before you. Depression, body dysmorphia, stress, anxiety, paranoia, PTSD. Well, at any rate, this is showing somebody going through that. Now here's a brighter side of life. Put on that yellow dress, is me saying this. And dance, dance, dance. Now this one here is tripping. Yo, let it out. Look at the previous painting. Release it, release it. A little bit of sensuality here. Well, it's within the children, for sure. Which one do you like the best? Looks like this person is just going through some beautiful thoughts. Beautiful thoughts. Okay. This was a pleasure to share with you all. I'm going to be on my way. F is for fancy. Ways open. Ways open. Oh, night before last I saw the equinox. I saw the stars in the sky, and it was like riding a bicycle into the higher realms. Initial ride, as this is called, and I was riding with the stars and the galaxies of eternity. It was beautiful. This is deep. I'll never be that me again. Real talk. Moment to moment will change. This is deep. Smoking can lead to death. 8th grader. Wow. Wow. Tell the truth. And have your lungs be free of disease. Love has no gender. Teach. Debt, pressure, expectation, success. Overcame that mess. Her mindset. Wow. You all know who I am because you're on my channel, you're on my page. I'm Queen Mother Goddess, Opulence Raw, enter. But choose the children as my companions. To really be in my energy, you must be as a child at heart. I thought they were doing a lot of paper collages. The ones that did what I think is clipping papers and putting them together or painting around them are, it's mixed medium. But some of them made photographs of them. And here I am with another one with emphasis on that. Spread your love, amazing, amusing, animated. I love it. The authentic beauty of the world. This is like a vision board. It is a vision board. Surprise is modern. The authentic beauty of the world. Modern way. Expectations. Going on about town. Just like you. Beautiful. A 12th grader. Power. Power. Hypnotic. Looks like a crystal to me. Crystal ball, what do you see? The magic is within me. Okay, old dude. Wear that hat. Magnify your uniqueness. Pay attention. Pay attention. Like I believe I said, but if I did, I'll re-emphasize it. I will be showing you some of my pieces that I have on exhibition, and perhaps even some of the adults who are here. Exhibition, yes, because I do have work in the gallery of the museum shop. I have work for sale too, with me being present to sell it. You can do it. Love, happiness. This is beautiful. This is a 6th grader. Check this. You can do it. Positivity, love, happiness is saying to either the other part of him or a friend or however you interpret it. Fear and some other anger, other negative energy. 6th grader. Wow. My fashion, my beauty. A designer, upcoming designer in more ways than one. It's an 8th grader. Innermost feeling. Wow. Wow. I'm touched. I've got to get ready to go and be at my sacred space with my creations because the doors are about to open for the people to come in and to honor me with their presence and to make purchases for themselves that will honor them. And with that said, I'm going to make a conscious effort to sell via the internet, via where I'm putting this up. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so that you can be amongst the ones who come today who are blessed with my creation, my healing creations. And the name of this exhibition is Tons of Phrases, Words and Images.